Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
The calendula is very easy to maintain flower that must be grown by all home gardeners for many reasons. It is usually available in yellow and orange colors, but its different varieties also exist. It's an edible flower used in salads. The calendula is an ornamental flower used as a medical remedy for skin care issues like sunburns, cuts, scrapes, and chapped lips. It also possesses antibacterial, antiseptic, and antifungal properties. It is the best companion plant for your kitchen garden vegetables and herbs because it attracts pollinators like honeybees. It's also a pest repellent. The best time to sow its seeds is during the spring season. The seeds germinate in 7 to 15 days depending on the seed quality and temperature. The plant height is a foot or 2 feet high. The beautiful calendula flowers blossom in 8 to 10 weeks. The soil should be moist and well drained, but avoid overwatering. The calendula plant needs full sunlight from morning to noon. 18 to 25 degrees Celsius temperature is ideal for seed germination. At sapling stage, use nitrogen-based fertilizer every fortnight. When the buds appear in 5 to 6 weeks, use potassium-based fertilizer. To avoid pest attacks, use any organic pesticide from the sapling stage after every 15 to 20 days.
Thanks for watching.